So hello everyone. Today we will talk about other two commands. They are useful for dealing with files in bioinformatics. Also, you will use them for preparing your data for further analysis. So we will talk about sort and uniq. We'll start talking about sort, which is useful for sorting the lines of a text file or input stream. With sort, you can arrange your data alphabetically or numerically, making it easier to identify patterns, find duplicates, or prepare your data for further analysis. So now we'll try some examples with sort. So we have file1.txt. This file includes alphabetically values. So this file is not already sorted now. So let's try to sort this file with sort txt. So perfect. As you can see, this file, the output is the sorted file, ABCG. But the main file is not still the same. Sort will not change anything in the main file. What we can do here, so we will sort this file and we will direct this file to new file. As you can see, text doc. The new file is sorted, but the main file is still the same. Perfect. So now we'll try another example, which is file2. This file contains numerical values. So if we use the default option of sort file2, so we don't have the expected results. So we need to give an option to sort as these values are numerical values. So we use -n. Perfect. So this file is now sorted numerically. We have here another example. For example, if you have two columns in the file, what you can do here. So if I need to sort this file, we'll use sort -n because there is numerical values, -k1 file 3. So we give an option. This file is numerical and I need to sort it based on the first column. So as you can see, this file is sorted based on the first column. If I give option -k2, so as you can see, this file is now sorted based on the second column. Perfect. So another option is if I need to sort this file in decreasing order. So I will use sort -n -r. Let's try with file2. So now this file, let's try without -r. So now in decreasing order, if we use -r option. We can try also, sometimes you will have duplicates in your file. For example, if you try with file2, for example, you have here 290. So you have 290 here. So if I use sort -u file2.txt, so now -u option removes the duplicates from the input file. So now we will move to talk about uniq command. This command used for removing or repeated lines in file, required sorted file. So sometimes we need to use sort before use uniq command. Options with uniq, some options we can use -c. So precede each output line by the number of times it occurred. -d display the repeated lines. -u display the lines that are not repeated, and we will see in the example now. So let's start with file 2. As you can see, we have a repeat line number 90 here. So let's start uniq without sorting first. This is not sorted now. So we need first to sort this line. So sort file 2 and then we will move these to output file 2 sorted.sorted.txt. Now we will try with a sorted file. As you can see, now we have just 190. Let's try the options we talked about before. So we'll use -c file2.sorted.txt. As you can see, it gives you the number of occurrence for each line. So we have number 90. We have 290 in this file. Let's try another option, -d, what we expect to have with -d. The output will be just repeated lines, which is 90, and we will use -u, which gives you the unique values in this line, in this file, as expected, but we don't have 90 because it's repeated line. So today we had more two new commands for Bash for bioinformatics. Thank you for watching, and for any questions, please leave us your comments.